Hi students, and welcome to week 11 in your online general psychology course. Here we are moving right along into November, and this week we will be covering chapter 10, which is over motivation and emotion. So let's take a look at this week's module. You have the PowerPoint. As always, you do have a discussion question. This week I'll come back and talk about that at the end. But as far as your Connect assignments, you have a Chapter 10 classification, theories of motivation, another one that is a matching over self-determination theory, and let me move the order of these, a third one on the theories of emotion, and then your Chapter 10 quiz. So 3 Connect assignments, your Chapter 10 quiz and Connect, and let's take a closer look at your discussion question. So this will be measuring your student learning outcome number 4, and you can see that that is demonstrating your use of terminology unique to the study of psychology. So what I want you to do is to listen to this podcast by Dr. Laurie Santos from the Happiness Lab podcast on entitled Psychopaths and Superheroes. So you have a link here if you listen to podcasts on Spotify or Apple. You can also pull it up there, but I did put a link here from her website. And what I want you to do is listen to it, and then I want you to respond to what you heard in the podcast, what you learned. So about 2 to 4 paragraphs, and try as best as you can to address these 3 questions that I posed here. So that'll be your initial response. And then, as always with discussion questions, make sure you respond to at least 2 classmates' posts. And on this one, you don't need to necessarily reference an APA article. Maybe you choose to, but don't worry about trying to figure out how to cite the podcast. We're all listening to the same podcast. I don't need you to put that in APA reference. If you want to take a stab at it and have me look at it so that you know how to APA reference a podcast, you're more than welcome to do that. But don't feel like I'm going to count off points if you don't. Okay, so this week, motivation and emotion, 3 Connect assignments, Chapter 10 quiz, and then this discussion question. Have a great week, everybody. Take care.